Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to post your profile picture on OnlyFans. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on onlyfans.com. Now select your name, initials. Now select settings. Now select on this icon right here. Now select upload file. Select it and select on open. Now select on save. Now select on save again. And now you can get back on home. And now you guys can see that the profile picture has now been updated. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.